y'all doing? Hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that shit. Every day is a blessing. Every day. You should be grateful every day. When you wake up every day, because God has blessed you to do something new today. And that's a blessing every day. So always look at it. Look at it that way. Not only because it's a new month, a new, I don't know, it's some sort of holiday or it's New Year's or whatever. Not to say you can't celebrate those things and celebrate what you celebrate, but still each and every day, celebration, motivation, like all the time. Hello. Hello. You understand what I'm saying? So, they know it's my ego. All you hoes, you know it's my ego. Yo, I love that song by Ice Cube. That shit is fire. So fire. Well, anyway, y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. So, today is about, what we doing? We fighting over who? What? Huh? Let me tell you something. This is something that I knew like within my soul. See, this is why you have to be paying attention to the signs that be all around you. So, as a young kid, a young girl, I always knew not to date dudes that I went to school with, middle school, high school with, and also would try to eliminate that, not to have that too much. And because within in the community of like middle school and high school, it's a whole bunch of shit and chatter and all this so unnecessary drama. That's why we have to teach these children not to get involved in the dumb shit. And also to not get into no altercation with no chick over no dude. Like, this is something I had already motherfucking knew. But on top of that, my mother had already told me, she said, as long as, she said, a man is going to do what a man is going to do. Long as he's taking care of you and taking care of home, you can't be worried about what he's doing. My mother told me this as I was small. And I was just like, what is this woman talking about? And why is she telling me this? You know what I'm saying? But she was just preparing me for like some real shit out in this world, because people don't be having a clear understanding on people that you date, other people, like just people, folks, like regardless if you're in a relationship with somebody. Now, we went in the young love, everybody be in love and all that other shit, and you feel like, whatever, this is my man, this is my girl, okay, and that's fine. But you also have to know that you don't own that person. And if your girl or your boyfriend or whomever, they want to go fuck somebody else, they going to go fuck somebody else. So you be smart about it, man, because y'all the ones that be kind of a little loose with it. Y'all don't really know how to follow the G code. You know what I'm saying? Women kind of got it down a little bit, But I'm not telling people to do that. But this is shit that just fucking happens, like on some real shit. And you shouldn't be fighting somebody over something that somebody else motherfucker made a decision to do for themselves. And then you also have to put in your mind, depending on like where you are, if you're a young person in middle school, high school, or even if you're a grown person and you're dating someone, just know that we have to learn how to deal with motherfucking rejection. Rejection is real, and it's going to happen to you. And you have to learn how to be like, and how do you do that? With the big 5, being mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and emotionally well. These wellnesses is something that you have to work on each and every day. And the more, the earlier you implement these in your life, the easier you can divert and avoid unnecessary trauma and drama that motherfuckers are trying to get to you because their wellness is not up to par. And that's their problem, not yours. But because you know how to wave that shit. Bitch, I'm not fighting you over no... Anyway, listen to this real quick. Just listen to this.
Y'all seen this? Not to knock her out. Y'all seen this, right? She fucking walked the Oh, yo, wait. Yeah, she tried to stab me, dude. Oh. I didn't know there was no stabbing going on. Come over here. She stabbed you? Yeah, she tried to stab me. She tried to spray me in my eye.
Okay, so clearly these young ladies had the same baby daddy. Yeah, I like to say baby daddy. I don't know what the fuck the problem is. Like, whenever a black person, whenever we create something, then the others try to tell you, like, that's ghetto. This ain't, this is this. Bitch, we created it. The fuck you talking about? It's black people shit, like we create all the other shit that y'all motherfucking inspire from, steal, and say that it's yours, or try to act like you made it up. What? But anyway, they had the same baby daddy, right? And something about, it was a whole bunch of shit. You can go back and watch the video. It's called, what is it called? Something crime, Twisted Crimes. They have a lot of shit like that. And the one girl invited the girl to a fight. The girl, I don't know who initiated, but I think the girl that came with the knife initiated. But even if she didn't, she came with it. The girl who came with the knife, and unfortunately, she was the one that lost her life. Now, that was kind of like bars, but you know what I mean. She came with the knife and she lost her life. Unfortunately, may she rest in peace. And her family be peace. And I believe she has a child. That's now, this child doesn't have a mom. Because, you know, people was worried about what he doing. He done moved on, or he got somebody else, whatever the fuck, like. Young ladies, let me tell y'all something. It is not wise to have children at a very young age. Why? Because you don't even know your motherfucking self. Not to say that you can't do it, because many women have done it. If you get laser focused on the things that you want to do and achieve in your life, right? And realize that, okay, I got a child with this person. Like, this is somebody in the younger mind, right? You have a child with this person. Hopefully that you are well. You know, with your laser focus, I think that you'll definitely be, you will have a sense of being well mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and emotionally. So due to the fact that you are a young person and you have a child with this young man, you know how to move forward, like with peace between y'all two. It's not gonna always be, you may have to cuss a motherfucker out, because sometimes you got cousins, they be acting real motherfucking, people just be. But you can't let it get to affect you to the point to where you want to come where you want to throw blows with somebody. For what? Why? He moved on. Like, he fucking her now. Like, and I believe that the other girl had a baby. I don't know. It was a whole bunch. You can go back and watch the shit on Twisted Crimes. But the fact of the matter is that the girl came with the knife. And the other girl must have, and now she's no longer here, and her baby is no longer here. And the other chick, she they want to send her to fucking prison, I'm sure. Because y'all know prisons are big business. And when you don't have it, and you know what's so wild is that when the police was around, and you can see, I don't know if you can see in the video, but they blurred her out. She was laying on the ground, and her arm, her hand, you can see her hand. But the crazy shit, like, nobody tried to administer any type of medical treatment to this young lady. How do y'all know that what state she's in when no one kneeled down to try to help her? Not the girl who took the knife and did that, or the other police that pulled up, or nobody else that's looking. Crazy. It's insane. Y'all can't be doing this. Once again, the person is going to do what they're going to do when they're going to do it, and they're going to fuck who they feel like fucking when they feel like fucking them. Now, should you be smart about it if you value your relationship? Yeah. But if you have moved on, if that person have moved on, you gotta let it go. We gotta learn how to take rejection. Let it go. That ain't for you. God got so many blessings for you around the corner. And some you gotta stand still and be patient. Stop thinking that, like this instant, like, okay, now we broke up, but now I'm gonna fuck that. Whatever the fuck going on in your. No, honey, let it go. We have to learn how to let shit the fuck go. Because it can be detrimental to your fucking health and your well-being. Because now the one girl is unalive and the other girl's about to go to prison. And who knows what that, if they're going to implement the young man in it. They may say he's some sort of accessory. Who knows, like. And then I also, it was another case, like if you look up that, go to true crimes, and you just see a list of shit. And motherfuckers just doing wild shit because they was in a relationship, they not with this person no more, they don't know how to get over it, and then somebody is no longer here. And now the other two lives are ruined. Nope, one person is no longer here and the other person is starting another chapter in their life in the system. Behind a bars in a cage. Man, y'all have to think your wellness is more than anything. Does it hurt when you break up with somebody? Yeah, it do. Like, we can't act like, that don't hurt me. I'll get fat, whatever. But, of course, it hurt. Learn how to control your emotions. Like, just be like, all right, this is, he don't want to be with me. She don't want to be with me. Okay. I gotta. The one thing I would say, the one thing that helps me, I don't know if it helps anybody else, but working out helps me a lot. Like, find you some sort of workout regimen, or if it's reading, something that takes your mind off of it. And also get laser focused on what you want, the things that you want to accomplish in this life. When you focus on the things that you want to accomplish in this life, that shit right there, that other shit, motherfuckers want to go be with somebody else, you would let that shit go. Like, go ahead. I wish y'all well. Why is that great? Because it's gonna benefit you. You ain't got time for that shit. You doing other shit. You going north. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't give a fuck where the fuck about. I'm going north. But then again, everybody involved have to know how to do that. For everyone involved. And I don't understand, like, when someone break up with somebody and then you want to fight the new person. Like, why? That person, somebody could have been run off at the mouth, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, if somebody is the new person and you come and you the old person, you come around, you being disrespectful. So, of course, that other person is going to step up and say something or be standing there like, yo, you know what I'm saying? But, But a smart dude, if it's two girls, he'll know to be like, yo, get in the house. You know what I'm saying? Tell her to get in the house. And if you have a young woman, if she respects you, she will go in the house. And if you got one of them bitches who is just like a I'll get fucked, you like that shit, then you gonna get shit. But people let shit go. Yes, it do. I'm telling you, find you something to keep your mind focused on something. And the one thing that you can do is definitely get laser focused on what you want to do with your life. Because you're going north. This is where we going. Up. That's it. The fuck? Shit, you don't know what's around the corner for you. What God got in store for you. That's not a bump in the road because you had that experience with that person. It was an experience, and hopefully it was a good experience. Hopefully y'all had great sex, y'all had great moments, y'all did great things together. But now it's no longer. I'm not getting mad at the dude the chick, because now she with the dude. Or if a dude, I just seen another one with these two dudes. One of them, they was dating this. Well, was an ex and came, and then they done got to a fight in the same situation. This shit is like when you go down that rabbit hole, you gonna see a list of the shit. It is fucking ridiculous. I don't know how to scratch my throat. I'm not even go that. I don't know how to do that. I just like suck and put my finger in my ear and throw my eyes back, and that seems to work. But people, for real, be smart. Be really, really smart. You have to think for yourself. One person is not the only person that you've been with that may have sucked your dick or ate your pussy real good or fucked you real good. Is the only person that's gonna do that. What? Are you out your mind? Especially as you get older, honey, sex gets better. You know what I'm saying? Things always get better. It gets better if you're willing to grow. If you want people that want to be complacent and stay stuck, then that's just say, we ain't on that type of time over here. So people, listen. Oh my God, stay focused. We ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. So, ladies, y'all know, and gentlemen, y'all know my name is Gurl. I'm an intimacy coach, seduction with the service called Seductive ArT. And on February the 8th, I will be having a pre-Valentine's Day event. It's the Ultimate Ladies Night. It's my Seductive ArT workshop. It's a workshop like no other. My mission is to empower Black women, not limited to, but this event is only for Black women, with sexual confidence, to love the skin you're in, and to embrace divine femininity. And we do that with 3 specialized areas of sexual enhancement, which is visual stimulation, how to visually stimulate your partner in and out the bedroom. Real sex talk. We're going to tap on a whole bunch of subjects so it can be right, and have a clear understanding about our sexuality, our femininity, relationships, dating, all these things. And then we're going to slide on our heels. If you already have heels on, that's great. You only have to bring none. And first, I'm going to teach you how to walk in heels for those who are having complications with walking in heels, and shoe maintenance. And then we're going to do some sexy sensual movements. And it doesn't take a lot. So ladies, come. It's beneficial. Trust me. And it's happening at a brick and mortar, which I'm super excited about. It's called Hempsville Harlem, which is in Harlem, of course. And all the details is here. So please come buy your tickets. Go there. And it's also another link that take you to where you can purchase your tickets. Tickets only $25. Ladies, come through. Wine will be served, giveaways, and all the things. So I hope to see y'all there. As well as I am an author, and the title of my book is called Quickie is 7 Short Erotic Stories. Read while you fuck while you read. I'm also a designer. The name of my brand is Real Nice by Real. I got some hoodies and some crop top tees that's come. I know I've been saying, y'all stop. Real Nice by Real. You know, I'm an award-winning designer doing New York Fashion Week in conjunction with Harlem Fashion Week. Yes, honey, I was the victor. I don't play with this fashion shit. Don't do it. And if I resonate with you, please hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. And thank you to all those who have subscribed. I appreciate you. I really, really do. Thank you so much. And y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. Be kind, be humble, be focused, be grateful, be loving, be a great listener, be fierce, be humble, be calculated, be mindful, be aware, be joyful, be happy, be about your motherfucking money, be a part of your community. Black people, be black and proud. Be one with the Most High. Be confident. Be great at what you're great at. Be all of these great things, because we only here and focusing on things that is connected with the Most High. And in the midst of you doing all of that, don't you ever fold, don't you think twice, don't you peek around the corner, and that is, you always be you, because God made you perfect just as you are. Until we meet again, y'all have a great night.